Hello guys, my name is Santiago and I work at Lengua Without. Today I want to tell you about our Spanish conversation courses. If you're tired of so many theoretical courses and you still find it hard to hold a conversation with somebody else, we have the solution for you. Here are a few reasons why with us you can make your dream of speaking Spanish come true. So 1. Classes are with native Spanish speaking language teachers. 2. Content and methodology are designed to improve your oral expression, which means comprehension, expression and pronunciation. In addition, you're going to receive corrections class by class. 3. Classes are divided by levels and in groups of maximum 5 people, which means that we can give you more attention and help you make a better process. 4. Monthly tests and feedbacks to measure your progress. 5. Certificate conversation hours every time you finish a level. 6. Monthly registration so you can have more flexibility with your time. 7. You can participate from any country virtually. And 8. If you're in Bogota, Colombia, you have the possibility of taking face-to-face courses. So I tell you guys bye and see you in class.